Hi everyone, welcome to Dext training. This is a quick video about Dext Prepare, and this is going to cover how to create and set up client accounts. In this video, we are going to look at how to create client accounts in your Dext partner account, how to set up your client accounts to work with the accounting software that you use, set up tax codes, and to invite your client account users within those individual client accounts, and finally, how to set up payment methods. Let's see this on Dext Prepare. Right now, I'm logged into my Dext account. Once you're logged in, you will see your partner account name or your firm account name in this area. And if you have any clients added at the moment, you will start seeing them here. If you're not, you will see the option to add client. Simply click on the Add Client button, and you're going to type the name of the specific client that you're working right now. You can select the industry, or this is optional. You can even leave this blank. Next step, you're going to select which colleagues that you need to give access to this client. And final step, this is optional. Please skip the invitation here unless you want to invite your end client's users at the same time. Soon as you skip the invitation, you would see that the client account is now created and currently sits on an unintegrated status. Next step, you're looking to integrate this client with your accounting software. Once you go into that client account, scroll down to the Connections tab, Integrations, and this will show you all the integration which is available for Dext Prepare. I'm going to connect with QuickBooks Online. This is now going to take you to the Intuit login page. Soon as you enter your credentials from this screen onwards, it will prompt you to select your own firm and then subsequently the specific client's KBO file. Soon as you complete that step, this account will get integrated. Integrated account will look like this. Now I switched into my QBO demo client. Once integrated, it will show you under connections, integrations, that this is now connected with QuickBooks Online. Your third step now, if you're in Canada, would be to set the tax codes based on the province the client is currently situated. When it comes to your default published destination for cost, you can have it as bills. Please have this option turned on. And if you're in Canada, you can have the tax data turned on. If you're in US, you can have this turned off. Once you turn on that, and once you come into this line, now you're looking to select the appropriate sales tax codes, which is coming in from your QBO file. I'm in Ontario. I'm looking in for the HST Ontario code. If you have any default tax codes for exempt, you can select them as well. And this is the tax codes for sales documents. You can again select that based on the province your client is located. In addition to this, if your client is located on a dual tax province, such as BC, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, you have the additional availability to turn on dual tax with our QuickBooks Online integration. If you go into Profile, go to Account Details, and now turn on Extract Secondary Tax. If you go back into Connections and Integrations page, now you would see you have additional tax lines. So if you're located in BC, now you can first select the combined tax code for the tax first line. And secondly, you're going to look for the GST code for the GST line and the PST code for the PST tax line. Similarly, for sales, you can have the combined tax code selected. Once this is completed, you can move to the next step, which is to set up and invite client users to start using Dext Prepare, could be the mobile app, or even send things via email in. Within that client, now you can move into users. Here, you will have the ability to add users to this specific account. You're going to click add a user. You're going to type their details in this section. You can give an email in address to each user so they can forward the receipts and invoices which they have on their own email. Once you type here, you can see the email addresses are populating. If you hit next, it takes you to the screen, which you can assign the specific role or the user privilege for this specific user. Please refrain from giving admin unless necessary, or you have option of basic user and expense approver. A basic user will only see the documents which they uploaded or they submitted once they log into Dext mobile app or Dext Prepare browser. Expense approver will see across documents, but they won't be able to change any integration instructions. So based on the user's role in the company, please select which option that you want to select here. Finally, to send out the invitation, you can either send this as an email invitation or a text invite. Once you complete these steps, you have added the client accounts, integrated with the accounting software. You have invited your end client users to start sending documents for you. Now, as an additional step, you do have the ability to send payment methods in this section if you require to. Payment methods are the payment modes that you will use when you're trying to publish documents from the cost section into or sales section into your accounting file, and you can have that set up from this area. You might not be seeing any lines like this, but if you type the checking accounts or the credit card accounts that you have in your QBO file, you're looking to tag them in Dext Prepare. So if you type the name, click add, and if you now go into the next dropdown, you can easily see the bank accounts which is coming in from your QBO file. So simply all you have to do is tag the same account in this section. Once this is completed, your client account setup is complete. You can move on to the next steps.